this topic, we'll have a look at understanding YaST. So I guess a good place to start is what is it? So this is a nice tool. There's an ncurses version and there's a graphical version. Basically, all the things you want to do on SUSE Linux Enterprise, you can probably do from YaST. So some people say yet another setup tool. Probably the correct version is yet another system tool. So along with the ncurses menu-driven option and the graphical option, there's also a command line option, non-interactive. So if you need to script it, you can use that. And there's also a command line option where you can go and interact with it. So to start it, if you want the ncurses version in a terminal window, as the root user, you can simply type in YaST, all in lowercase. And if you want to run the graphical version from a terminal window, you can run YaST with a number 2 on the end. So when you run YaST in YaST 2, the graphical version, it's going to prompt you to enter the root user's password. So you need to be the root user to use this. If you're going to run the ncurses version, what you'd do is you would switch to the root user first. So in your terminal window, do an SU space minus, press enter, put in the root's password, and you're now the root user, and then you can type in YaST, and it'll go and run the ncurses version for you. So YaST has many modules. So to cut the corner, if you want to, instead of running YaST and then having to go through menu after menu after menu to get to where you want to be, what you can do is you can run YaST space and the name of the module. You can also do that with YaST 2. So for example, if it was disk partitioning you wanted to perform, you can do YaST 2 space disk, and it would go straight into the disk module. To list the modules, you can do YaST or YaST2 space -L or -- list, and it'll show you the names of all the modules. So that's what you do to find out that the module to allow you to partition the disks, for example, is the disk module. So here's the ncurses version. So it's using your keyboard to move around, so no mice in here. So tab to move around between the various windows, the usual up and down arrows to get to the option that you want to select, and then you can press enter, and you can also hit the space bar to do multiple selects and escape to come back one page.